Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just love to share the progress of my farm with you all. Miyam ngasisu aigi farm gi progress utsige aina thabasing du kri kri hingare phajana haurabra sirabra haibdeko aduk ensang napi hawsing si urga yam harau jeiga duga noi miyam ga share tawninge buko kri kri aigi ensang napi thabasi kri kri hinglibra haibdeko adu noi ni su yam support tawiba nungsiriba duidamak yam thagatri dunena aigi vegetable sing du hinglibra hinggribra haiba putpado takpado adudu aigi ithawne khallebko aigi responsibility ne khallebko adu miyamon su aigi harawudu bongdoksage aigi harawudu utsige hainako. These are all to that plant. Oh, ma anchani ko si grass na tabne napi na tesis ni lo in ma anchani ko. King chili has grown out a lot. Umrok si phajana chaw rakre. And you can see one small bhujolokya has started. Umrok macha ma pan ba hawri go. Lai am shale. So this is the place where I planted the roselle. Umrok pan ma hawre miyam harawa yam dui. At the moment I have around 300 king chili plants. So I'm so happy. I planted the grape sapling in this row. Grape sing si seed tharab ni ko sida aduga asidasu. So I've planted like this so that when they grow up I can sit underneath the grapes. Asi grapes sing si sum line na ko line uhum na thaye ko hayeng chawra puanda makhad phamba yana ngai ko thabam tung da moi chat na ngai si bamboo thambi bne ko ka khat na ngai. We call this anchi and I planted this last week. How ba hawre yingo anchi hai na mana asin ba laitra adudu ne busido kri kaubra hangde aino aside thabne ichi na thabiraga. These are the banana which I transplanted 2 weeks back and they're growing well. Not only doing well, you can see the small young banana plant has started coming up. 2 weeks back the thabne ko phajana su hingre duga macha thokre bako hingre. It's so funny. Longan ni ba mai mahai ngang ti oide hajik mana ani nak ni phajana dum pale nak badu branch atai thong la ki gra khang di koi de maton da haw bini na ko pan bini na. Now finally I can see lots of flower buds here. Passion fruit ki magi lai sing si thok hawre ham lai di palani. Split gill mushroom. This is called chinar, a kind of cantaloupe. They sharp doing chinar ni ko last time gidi kri sa ba phangre kum si gidi sa ba phangre yeng si Panggil macam-macam. Pizza bukan ada malah. Now the Asian chive is growing well. Last time it has been destroyed by monkey, you know? And you can see that syntax that is specially for this Asian chive. The Asian chive needs lots of water, so we keep one special syntax for Asian chive. Asi nakupi sinahan yong na loin cha thoki ne ba. Kamain chai khang bra khang de yong sing su ko loin cha thoraga ai di lok kak su kak hodre moin cha bada. Adu yong tan mo hot na bada is aduga nong sha jin lakpa aduda fazana ya hauki da ne ko hojikan ising fazana mo ko chaiba nong khra chuba haibde fajarakre. So next week ti yan ba yarani ko lok pa yarani. Asi syntax na nakupi gi damak special oin thamane ko atay di season ende nakupi gi damak tani ko za na thabak changrab jana nakupi si samgera ga ising wat pia di ma du ko ising wa lai di hekta siye ba adungak chuna tabana han yong na loin cha thoki bi du yam sa oning e ba yong sing man ba de ko. Sidi chaba ngamdre ancha sina perop my god, I'm so fed up of eating bottle goat now because I've already harvested 7 or 8 oire bukot kongdrum jab si adugi oh creo zikti. Now you can see still lots of border goats. And this fly trap is so effective. I'm planning to buy some more. Pan bedu, pan.